Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can check all the voice command on this device. So at the first we have to open the notification bar, go on the right side and tap on the settings icon. When we are here we have to click on the voice control and select voice command. And as you can see here, we got all the list of the command that we can use when we activate the voice control. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 commands. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!